Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something pretty slick for all you Apple Watch owners. A carbon fiber watch case and rubber strap modification kit designed for a range of Apple Watch series, including the 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4SE, specifically the 44mm and 45mm sizes. This kit promises to give your Apple Watch a serious style upgrade. So let's see if it lives up to the hype. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the premium feel of the carbon fiber case. It's surprisingly lightweight, yet it feels incredibly sturdy. The weave of the carbon fiber is visually appealing, adding a touch of sporty sophistication to the watch. The kit I'm looking at comes with a rubber strap, which is a nice complement to the carbon fiber. The rubber is soft and flexible, making it comfortable for everyday wear. It also seems pretty durable, which is a plus for those with active lifestyles. Installation was straightforward. The case snaps onto the Apple Watch body seamlessly, and the strap easily attaches to the case. There were no awkward gaps or misalignments, which is a sign of good design. Once installed, the watch feels secure and integrated. The buttons and crown remain easily accessible, and the heart rate sensor on the back isn't obstructed. Now, let's talk about the real-world experience. I've been wearing this carbon fiber case and rubber strap combo for a few days now, and I'm impressed. The watch definitely looks more stylish. The carbon fiber adds a unique, high-tech aesthetic that sets it apart from the standard Apple Watch look. The rubber strap is comfortable even during workouts, and it's held up well to sweat and daily wear and tear. I've even gotten a few compliments on the new look of my watch. However, there are a couple of things to consider. While the carbon fiber case adds a layer of protection, it doesn't fully encase the watch screen. So, you'll still want to be careful to avoid scratches or impacts to the display. Also, the rubber strap, while comfortable, might not be everyone's cup of tea. If you prefer a more formal look, you might want to consider swapping it out for a different band. Overall, this carbon fiber watch case and rubber strap modification kit is a solid upgrade for anyone looking to personalize their Apple Watch. It offers a stylish and sporty look, comfortable wear, and relatively easy installation. While it doesn't offer full screen protection and the rubber strap might not suit all tastes, the pros definitely outweigh the cons in my opinion. If you're looking to give your Apple Watch a fresh new look, I'd definitely recommend checking this kit out. It's a simple and effective way to elevate your wrist game. Let me know in the comments what you think of this carbon fiber and rubber strap combo. And as always, thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.